Welcome to the Pro Analysis tutorial for Upgame by Trackman. In this video, we will take a look at the last but very important putting analysis. Like in the other tutorials, we begin by seeing our strokes gained over time, but as we dive into the putting analysis, we can also get our strokes gained separated by distance, and we also see our good putt percentages at the bottom. These are going to be the percentage of putts that end up in or past the hole in our safe zones that we discussed in the data entry tutorial. It is one quick way to see your lag putting performance. In the next page, we can also get a look at strokes gained versus distance through a bar graph similar to our approach analysis page. Here, where we need to make improvements is clearly visualized. As we head to the next page, we also get our speed control broken down into a bar graph similar to our end shot result graph. This one represents the quality of our speeds from those different distance windows. On our next page, we can also see our overall conversion rate represented here, but if we swipe left, we get the conversion rates from different distances as well. And going further, we get the direction page, which shows us our performances on different breaks. Let's stop here to assess our putting performance overall. We saw in our strokes gained versus distance that 5 to 10 foot range was our biggest area of opportunity. We also saw in speed versus distance that this window had a much smaller percentage of hold putts, and our conversion rates confirm the same. So we know that on tour, the make percentage from 5 feet is about 77%, and from 10 feet, it's about 40. Using the filters, we can also see our conversion rates from those specific distances, but we already know that we need to improve here. So let's go to the top in our direction page to activate the distance filter 5 to 10 feet. Now seeing the performance from all directions, it looks like uphill breaking putts are costing us the most, and now we obviously know what to work on the next time we get to the putting green. One additional element to also consider is our downhill putts. With better performance from here, we can feel a little safer about leaving our approach shots, our chips, and lag putts on the high side. The next pages are going to give us a more detailed look at our lag putting performance. First, in speed control, we see the quality of our putting shown in this graph, and swiping to the left, we also get them shown on the table. Note that we still have our distance filter activated, so we see our performance from that 5 to 10 foot window here. And lastly, we see our speed ratio page. First, we need to remove our distance filter, and now we see our speed ratios for those different distance windows. If we want to see the speed ratio for our 20 footers, for example, we just go back into the distance filter, create a custom distance, and fill in 20 to 21 feet. Press apply, and we see our ratio from that specific distance. So that just about covers it for the putting analysis section. But overall, the pro analysis section is a lot to take in, but what a player is able to pull from the data is vital to the understanding of their strengths and opportunities to improve. And the more rounds that they plug in, the more information they have to depend on. If you have any questions about Upgame's analysis section, feel free to reach out to us. Be sure to check out our other videos, and as always, thanks for watching.